Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will tell you about the function keys on your device. So each PC has function keys. They are located on the top edge of the keyboard, and they are performing both primary and secondary functions on most laptops. And the primary functions of function keys are, for example, F1 will open the help menu in most applications, F5 will reload or refresh the page, F11 is used to put video on a full screen, and F12 opens developer tools in browsers. And your laptop also has additional functions for each of these keys. And to unlock them, if you're seeing the light on your escape button, to unlock the secondary functions you'll have to press F1 key and escape at the same time. And once you do that, you'll be able to use F1 button to mute the system sound on your PC. F2 decreases the system sound, F3 increases it, F4 is used to mute and unmute your microphone, F5 is used to decrease the screen brightness, F6 increases it, F7 switches your laptop to the external display if it's connected, F8 enables or disables wireless connections, F9 is used to open settings, F10 toggles Bluetooth, F11 key is used to enable keyboard settings if you have a Lenovo keyboard settings utility installed, and F12 opens favorites. And that's all I wanted to say in this video. So thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.